Hello everybody, welcome back to another game. Today we're playing some
So he
freaking
asked me
Call
for
of
my
Duty
watch, and
World
I'm
War
thinking,
II.
What the hell do you want my watch for? You're the captain of the goddamn football team. But
I made some good buddies in basic, and they're all on the boat with me. Everybody's scared as hell, but nobody's letting on. I hated Zussman the first week of basic, but now he's probably the best friend I have in the world. He's always looking for trouble. If there wasn't already a war on, he'd be off trying to start one.
Besides, I gotta keep all my fingers. I'm gonna take photo of the year.
Styles says he's gonna be a photographer for Life magazine. Kinda looks like Clark Kent said when he takes off his glasses, the only thing that happens is he can't see shit. Elo's the vet, but being honest, he's what Ma would call a bit of a rube.
Okay, let's make this more interesting. St. Michael, patron saint of soldiers. He's had my back since Kasserine. Zussman 3 times in 10 seconds, and he's all yours.
I don't know.
Oh, you could always put us out.
My money's on Zussman.
Okay, I'm in.
I can't watch.
Just time me when I tell you. Back to my story. Me and my boys, we muscle our way into this poker game that the football team has going. We worked out a system where they can signal to me everybody's hands. You should have seen the QB's face when I took that pot. You ready?
This is a funny
That's what
story.
happens when you try to hustle a hustler. Now,
He sliced it through his fingers.
you get flushed.
No freaking.
Elo had enough fight in him for 2 men,
Ma said never shake hands with a Jew.
That's not what she said last night.
and enough bigotry for 6.
Man, who needs a stupid pendant anyway?
Apparently you did.
Yeah, I'm gonna get me something better. A real trophy, you'll see.
Good luck with that.
Oh! Briefing's at 1800. We're gonna be late.
Uh-oh.
I got us covered, Daniels. Don't worry about it.
Briefing's about to
Why does
start.
that
What
guy
the hell
look
you boys
familiar?
doing?
Then there's Sergeant Pearson, a real sweetheart.
Well, you think you're special, huh? The Krauts are gonna eat your lunch.
Now, not our lunch, Sergeant. Our lunch is secure.
Watch your lips, Zussman. On me.
Okay.
Since I'm obviously on a lucky streak, whatever happens, stay close. First Normandy, then the Rhine. We got this, Daniels.
Hell yeah. I wonder what we're doing. I just realized that little loading logo
Today,
is,
with our allies, we embark on an operation of unparalleled importance to establish a beachhead at Normandy and roll back the German aggression that has terrorized Europe for the past 5 years. We are all that separates the world from darkness. This, so much more than a chance to be heroes in our own lifetimes. If we prevail, our triumph will be etched into the hearts and minds of a grateful world for untold generations. I'm talking about glory,
We
gentlemen.
get to play as the first infantry.
True
but
glory.
Honestly, I'm more of a
Colonel Davis sure can give a nice speech. His
101st
pep talk reminded me of the
Airborne
one
guy.
Coach Johnson gave us
That's
on
also
our
'cause I
Thanksgiving Day
enlisted
game
in the
versus
101st
Austin.
Airborne.
I'm sure you remember we lost that game by 42 points. Always looking over Pearson's shoulders, Lieutenant Turner. He's got him on a tight leash. But if Pearson breaks free, we'll all get bit.
Oh boy, here we go.
Ever since I could hold a rifle, I wanted to be like you, Paul. You've always been a tough act to follow. But I'm damn sure gonna try. It's now or never.
Hey, I wish I was coming home to her.
Yeah, just wait till we hit Paris.
Seems like a long way off.
Yeah. Miss Texas.
Remember, no digging in at the shore. You've got to advance. You need to stay low and do not bunch up. Stick to your training, you're gonna make
Yeah.
it through. I'm proud to lead you fellas into battle. Anytime,
Hell yeah.
anywhere.
I can't say that about Pearson.
All right, give him hell, boys!
The beaches are supposed to be flattened, right?
Sound scared, Private.
No, sir.
You should be.
Daniel, got a light? Sure thing. Everybody down!
Holy shit. Can I look up?
Watch out!
What's going on? Oh my god.
Get down!
I have. You want me to go prone?
500 yards! We're gonna have to pull off! No! Stay on mission! You're taking us in! We must have drifted! I can't see the landmark!
You heard the lieutenant. Full speed.
What? What happened? I can't see.
Hold tight!
Okay, yeah, I'm good. Oh, that's not good.
God
Stay
damn
down.
it! 200 yards! 20 seconds!
20. Oh, we had 30.
Same plan! Get to the seawall!
Composite, James.
Get the Bangalore to the wire! Fast! Everybody ready! Here we
Oh,
go!
bang
Off
on
the
it.
ramp! There's no cover!
That was an order, goddammit. Drop it.
Okay, here we go. Oh, oh. Oh, shit.
Over the side! Get your head down and keep moving!
Oh, there he goes.
Daniel!
I'm coming. Oh my god. This is not like Saving Private Ryan. Actually, it's probably exactly like it.
Take a Bangalore and get to the seawall!
What? Oh shit, that guy's missing a leg.
Daniels! This is what you trained for! Now pick up that banger!
Okay. God damn it. Sorry.
You can do this! Yes, sir!
Damn.
Oh, Jesus!
Finally.
Daniels! Use the banger! I'll cover you! After we breach, keep pushing towards the bunker!
Okay. Shit.
We're almost there! Pull it! Pull it! Fire the hole!
No, wait. It's supposed to like go through.
Come on!
That's not how it works. So okay, yeah.
Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Approaching from the east! Push forward! Into the trench! Hurry!
I want a medal of honor after this. Grease gun? Why did the Germans have a grease gun?
That wound looks bad. Here, take this.
Cool.
Thanks, bud.
Go. Go. Ow. Ow. Go.
All right, here we go. Great.
Ooh, yeah. Ah, shoot. This man, I could use a medic. Oh. Medic bag. Ah, I feel like Dallas.
Fire support incoming. We have to get to the bunker.
He just shot him in the face. And he's just like, ah. Okay, yep.
Marking the target area.
Oh, that was Pearson. Sorry, Pearson. I'm going. Shoot, aren't these guys like World War II soldiers? Shouldn't they be trained to run for longer instead of like 20 meters?
Daniels, I need you and Zussman to take point and clear those bunkers. Go! Right behind you!
Yeah, get shot. Oh my god. Get out of my way. Damn. Oh, cool. I forgot I had extra medic bags.
Crouch are dug in! Daniels, get a grenade in that bunker! Huh? Grenade out!
Is that one done? Let me reload the M1911.
Daniels, first aid kit ready for ya!
Yeah. Okay.
First aid kit ready when you are! Am I coming?
Cool.
First one down! This one's clear. Let's move!
Give me my first aid.
Send it this way!
Thank you.
MGs are still sweeping the beach! We gotta take them out!
Yeah, we'll do that.
We gotta get to the bunker! Okay. You hurt? Thanks. I'm good.
Okay, cool. Save the man. This is bunker? Yeah, it is. Whoopsie daisy.
Daniels, toss the smoke! Smoke, now!
Dead.
Turret's blind, move up!
Yeet.
Lob it a grenade!
Yeah, get some. See, miss all those shots. Ooh, I saw you. Ooh, I see some. Oh shoot, they're coming. That guy like ran right into my bullet. I forgot you could do that.
Bunker's clear, let's go!
I need that aid kit!
Everybody out! Bunker's clear!
Cool.
Rifles ahead!
Eyes in air, quickly now!
Artillery's hitting the beach!
Next assault wave ain't gonna make it! Yes, sir!
Okay, reloading. R98K. Oh, yeah, you got it. Never mind. He don't got it. There's my kid now. There's my kid.
I'm going in!
Careful! Copy them is here!
War two Flammen Werfer. Yeah, get some. Can I like reload? I like how it goes through the bars. Hey, where's my Garand?
Stay low! Don't bunch up!
Okay, I won't bunch up. I'm gonna bunch up and ignore you.
Incoming!
Yo, let's go, ammo. MG42. So where's the incoming at? You know, my teammates on Halo 5 are more useful than you.
Germans in the open. Got your first aid kit.
Yeah, let me just replenish my ammo.
Send it this way!
Flying in.
Okay, here we go. Where's the other bunker? Oh, cool, I got an achievement. Friend in need. Oh, cool. Use the first aid kit 30 times. See, I told you.
Help! You hurt? I'm good.
Hell yeah.
You don't keep up. Stay low. Don't punch up.
Throw the grenade!
I hit him in the leg. He was like, ow, what the fuck?
Nailed it. They're exiting cover.
Don't get in my way, Pearson.
He's dead.
I know you're a sergeant and hate me and all, but like,
Coming in from the south. He's dead. Coming in from the south.
Gotta reload. Make shots. Come on. Shake a leg.
Styles, Aiello, with me. Daniels, you and Zussman clear the last bunker. Rally at the top of the bluff. And for fuck's sakes, don't get yourselves killed.
okay.
All right, Zussman. One more.
We got this, Daniel.
Yeah, we got this.
Break now. Keep up. Keep up. I got you. In the body.
I wonder.
Get ready when you are.
Oh shoot, where is it? Oh my gosh, that was a close one.
I got him. Dead
Yeah, got him.
Contact. 12 o'clock. Well done. Move it up.
What's back here? There's nothing back here. Okay.
Here we go!
Ah! Ah! Damn it! I'll beat you. Yeah, that's right. Get him. Get him, Zussman. Go.
Zussman!
God. Bitch. Bitch. You stabbed my friend. Yeah. Fuck you.
12 o'clock.
Okay.
Come here, buddy.
I can't walk.
Oh, shit.
Get me the fuck out of here.
Yeah, okay.
We're gonna get you out of here. Stay with me.
Okay. Come on. Where do I go? We're going this way.
We've got to get over to that CCP.
On your left.
Ooh. Okay, here we go. Can you climb?
We gotta take cover.
Yeah, you can climb, okay.
How many?
Too many.
Look for the muzzle flag.
We're clear. Come on.
You call that fucking clear?
Shut up, I'm saving you.
I'm losing too much blood.
Shut up, you'll be fine. If you die, listen to me.
Keep your head down.
Did you get him?
They keep coming.
Got him in the leg. Listen, Zussman,
Watch out!
if you die,
He's
I
down.
will
Let's
kill
move.
myself and bring you back. Do you hear me?
We gotta move.
I'm doing it.
I got you. Fuck!
Okay, here we go.
We can get down here.
It's okay, stop complaining.
I got you.
Damn, okay.
Stay down.
God's favorite caliber. A 45.
Oh man, I'm bleeding out.
Yeah, I could.
Just keep pressure on it. Almost there. Come on up here. Move, move.
Oh, thanks, soldier guy.
Okay, stay with me. Medic!
Okay.
I need morphine.
It's okay. It's okay.
You gotta hang on. Those girls in Paris are waiting for you. Really? Of course they are.
How about another look at your girl?
You kidding me?
It's okay. I can't see shit. I'm just gonna rest right here.
No. You have to stay awake. Hey,
Daniels,
I'm here.
help me.
I need a goddamn medic!
Damn, bro. Oh, sweet.
I got this. Go!
Okay. Ugh.
He'll take care of him. I need you with me,
Okay.
Daniels. Listen up! There's a GPF cannon by the farmhouse up the road. It's tearing up the beach.
All
Let's
right.
move! We'll come back for you. Get your ammo and grenades.
You heard him. Up the
Can do
road
it.
now.
Okay.
Move it up! Got ammo for you,
Oh,
Private.
cool. Thanks. I need some of that ammo, actually.
I need more ammo, Lieutenant.
Go slower than pond water.
Hey. I know what to do.
When we get to the farmhouse, be ready to engage.
See, Zussman is not
Move
this
fast!
is not a main
They're shelling that beast to
protagonist
shit!
character like I am.
G in the hayloft! Take cover!
Wait, the smoke grenades actually working?
Tossing a smoke grenade!
Ow.
Grenade out!
Enemies in the field.
Yeah.
Routes inbound. Hold the position.
Hang on, reloading.
Take some ammo, Daniels!
Incoming.
Here they come! Open fire! Someone get on the
What do you
enemy!
think I'm doing, Brett? I'm running out of ammo quicker than I could reload, so like, give me a little bit. Okay, hang on, wait. Okay.
They're heading for the wall.
Oh wait, I can reload while I'm. That's it. Perfect. Oh wait, I forgot. It's like first. Okay. Fuck it. Grenade!
Grenade out!
Our boys are coming in!
Look at them scatter.
Yeah. Get,
All right, boys. We mopped them up good.
Could use some ammo, sir. It's here, Private.
thanks.
Clear.
Oh, it doesn't give me
Fire
grenades.
range! Got it!
Oh, it is. No, I was supposed to fire at that thing. Okay,
Daniels! Thermite!
we got all of that.
Fire in the hole!
Beautiful.
Good work, Daniels. All right, fellas, rally on me to the assembly point. Let's Pearson, I'll need a casualty report. We lost so many.
Damn.
But we took the beach.
Paid a damn high price.
This has been my best friend.
Daniels.
Man, I thought I'd seen everything.
He gonna be all right?
Yeah. He taped him up pretty good.
Should have stayed on the boat.
Oh, now he tells us.
Hey, what you did back there, I owe you.
I'd say we're even.
We'll see this through.
To the end?
To the end.
Beachhead secured.
Yeah.
We'll bivouac at the second hedgerow after the ridge.
Welcome to the bloody first. You're a long way from Texas, farm boy.
Yeah, Texas.
None of us could have prepared for that. But you came through when it counted.
Yeah.
Thanks, sir.
You'll be all right, son.
Thank you. Yes, sir.
Oh boy.
Of course, I will.
Oh boy, that's PTSD starting to kick in.
I don't know who the hell decided this was the best way to retake Europe, but I'll guarantee you one thing. They weren't on the beach with us this morning.
Like, cool. Operation Cobra. Well, before we do that, I must end it here. Hopefully y'all enjoyed this Xbox video. And yeah, I will talk to y'all, talk to y'all next time. Goodbye.